Automation is a great tool to help us have more control over the sounds in our project. This riser here, I'm still not quite happy with how that sounds. So I'm going to click on the automation button next to the volume there, and that opens up our automation line. Firstly, I need to decide what it is that I want to automate, and for this, I want to automate the volume. So I'm going to click on that automation button and hit volume. Then we get another track. Now that we have a line for our automation, I can set the highest limit by clicking anywhere along the line and creating a node that I can click and drag and move around. I want to click one at the start as well. And I want to bring that right down. So I'm really reducing the volume, the gain of this right here. Now, I would like it to swell at this last little point here. So I'm going to bring another node into about here and bring that down. So it's going to very, very, very quietly increase in volume, at which point here in this last 2 bars, it's really going to come up. Let's have a quick listen. And you can really hear it ramping up at the end there. Automation helps you change parameters over time.